Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. If you are new to my channel, I am Dhruvi and this tutorial is going to be all about soft glittery eyes with wine lip look. Today I am going to let you all know the easiest ways to create this look for any occasions. So let's get started. First I am going to prep my skin, which is absolutely not skipping part prior applying any makeup products. I am using Biotic Honey Pore Tightening Toner. You can use any toner of your choice and wait for a minute to get it absorbed into your skin. And now move on to a moisturizer to seal everything off. By the way, if it's daytime look, don't forget to apply a sunscreen. I am using Nivea Creme and this moisturizer gives you instant hydration and making it looks super smooth and bouncy. This would work amazing for dry skin and combination skin. As I mentioned in all of my videos, don't forget to massage it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the product settle into your skin and the products which I have used here will be listed in my description box. Hello everyone, actually I forgot to switch on my video prior applying primer, so post applying it I realized I haven't clicked on the start button. For the primer I have applied Faces Canada primer. This is one of my favorite primers in affordable range. Step number 1 is color correcting. I feel this step is necessary especially for pigmentation so that you don't end up using tons of concealer. For the color correcting, I am using Swiss Beauty Orange Color Corrector. I mainly apply the color corrector around my mouth to reduce the hyperpigmentation and under my eyes to reduce the dark circles. Step 2 is concealing. I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 03, which is a perfect match for my skin tone. I am applying it where I want to highlight my face and blending it nicely using a damp beauty sponge. Step 3 is base. For the base, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 103. Guys, this foundation has low to medium coverage. It stays really long and it doesn't oxidizes on my skin. Step 4 is to set everything with a banana powder or any loose powder of your choice. Here I am using Inside Banana powder. I am just dabbing the powder into my skin with a powder brush. Do not rub it. It is going to crease, but you know powder will hold it for a little longer. I am using a spoolie brush to even out my eyebrows hair. Then I am using a brow brush. Today I am not using any brow product. I am going to fill them using eyeshadow palette which is from Maybelline The Nudes. I am using the grey shades as shown in the video. The next step, I am starting my eyeshadow by taking a pink shade from the palette and blending it accordingly. I'm just applying it on outer corners and blending it with a fluffy brush. Then I'm using e.l.f. mini palette and I'm taking a dark brown shade and apply it on crease line with a flat brush. Now again I am taking the same fluffy brush to blend it perfectly. Next step I am taking the Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette and we will be using the golden shade on inner corners to slightly the middle part of eyes. Here I am applying it with a finger. You can use a brush as well. For the next step and to give my golden shade a glittery look, I am using Wet n Wild pressed glitter in the shade Brass. For the next step, I am using the same pink shade on lower lash line and blending it using a blending brush. Next and the ultimate step for my face is contouring. The contour I am using today is from Wet n Wild Powder Contour. It's one of my favorites. The next step I am using Faces Canada LipCrayon in the shade Pitch Me 08 as my blusher for today's look. It is creamy so it blends perfectly and gives you creamy finish. Next, I am using Wet n Wild White Kajal on my lower waterline. White Kajal helps to look your eyes bigger than usual. For the mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Again, this is one of my favorite mascaras in the affordable range. The next step for highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my high points of the face. Now I'm going to finish this look by doing my lips. I'm using Swiss Beauty lip liner and MyGlamm liquid lipstick. MyGlamm liquid lipsticks are just amazing. It stays like for a whole day. It has amazing fragrance and I already love their products. Shades will be mentioned in my description box. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.